I am Christine from JoJo Learning. Today, I am going to make one of these 小桔灯 little tangerine lantern that I played with all the time when I was a child growing up in China. During New Year's time, my mom would pick up all those beautiful orange tangerines from the farmer's market, and my brother and I would make a lot of tangerine lanterns, and we will go out to play with all these kids in the neighborhood. We ended up burn them, we damaged them, but there was so much fun and so much memory. So little orange tangerine always reminds me of the Chinese New Year. And if you light it up, we have candles inside. In the evening, it's super cool and your kids will love it. And we can make it just in a few minutes with a few household items. And I hope you will have a lot of fun with your kids and bring a lot of New Year spirit into your home. Okay, so you will need a tangerine or any tangerine looking object you can find in a grocery store. The larger the better. You can get what they call a cutie, and you can get whatever looks orange and beautiful and easy to peel. And today we're using a big tangerine. Here is a tea light candle, and there is a dental floss, and pick up a stick from your backyard. Now you all only need the 4 items, and then you need some tools: a baby spoon, toothpick, a small knife, scissors, and a plate. Let's do it. Okay, there is your tangerine. You cut a hole on the top, circle it around on the skin, some places might call this a liver orange, but make sure you don't get an orange, because orange skin is very hard to peel and it doesn't look pretty when you make a lantern. Okay, and you use the spoon inside and get the sections of the flesh out. It can get messy. Again, a tip for this is do not get a regular orange, and what you need is something that's very easy to peel. So this is actually the hardest part of the whole project. And now you get the skin, and then use your toothpaste and poke 3 holes. You kind of even them out. You just eyeball them and even them out. 1, 2, 3 holes. And I already pre-cut dental floss in 3 equal sections, and you put them through and tie them. All right, we're almost there. And so you kind of balance them out and find your stick and tie it on your stick. There you go. And then the last step, your tea light candle. There you go, your little 小桔灯. So there is actually a variety of things you can do with this. If you don't want your kids to hold a real candle with the 小桔灯 and playing outside, you can actually make some candle holders out of tangerines, or if you only find the little tangerines from the grocery store, and you cut them out and you put either a real candle or a fake candle in there. And the coolest thing that my kids are having a lot of fun with this year is when you are digging out the flesh, try to leave this one white thing that came out of the stem inside in the middle of the tangerine, and use that as the wick for your light. And then after that, you fill in just household vegetable oil, and you can light it up as a candle holder or lantern, whatever you call it. And they look pretty cool in the evenings on the table and bring a lot of Chinese New Year spirit. And be patient. If you want to just use the stem inside as the wick, you will need to be patient. It takes quite a few attempts to light it up usually. But good luck and happy Chinese New Year.